Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In this video, we'll address an issue with the Visual Basic command line compiler, which often consumes excessive system resources, causing the processor to run consistently at over 70% or even 90%. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and run it as an administrator. Once the command prompt is open, enter the two commands provided in the video description. The first command will help you navigate to the correct framework folder, such as Framework 64 or Framework 23, depending on the version installed on your system. In the second step, download the file linked in the video description and run it as an administrator. This file is designed to fix any existing issues related to the .NET framework. The third step involves scanning your PC for malware. Download the anti-malware program using the link provided in the description. Once installed, run the program, scan your PC, and quarantine any malware it detects. After completing the scan, restart your PC. Finally, in the last step, open the control panel and navigate to the Apps section. Locate Microsoft Visual C++, select it, and click Change, then choose Repair. This process will reinstall the necessary components and fix any corrupted files. After completing all these steps, restart your PC once more. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.